Python for Beginners. A series of lectures on Python language with real-life problems and their solutions by Imran's. Our 7th lecture on Python dictionaries. Please subscribe to our channel for getting updated videos right away.
Dictionaries are created by curly brackets with keys and values with colon in between. Each key has a unique value. You can access value by using relevant key. Dictionaries can have all kinds of data, like numbers, strings, Boolean, list items. Let's print our first dictionary. Please note that the dictionary contains 2 values for Apple. But when we print it is showing only one value for Apple, which is latest one. So, dictionaries don't hold duplicates. Let's try to change value for history from 100 to 90. As we print, you could clearly see that the value is changed for history. We conclude that dictionary items are changeable. If you try to print dictionary again and again, you will notice that the items are in the same order. Their order is not changed. Dictionary items are ordered. You can use their index numbers to find the required item. This concept was also covered in detail when we covered the list topic in our previous lecture. The value of dictionary key can be printed by taking slice function of the required key. The mango key returns its value as yellow. You can use get command also to get the values of the keys. Similarly, use values command to generate values of all the keys in the dictionary. While keys command will generate all the keys present in the dictionary. The items command will return all the items of dictionary as tuples in the list. The length function returns the length of dictionary items. The length of result dictionary is 2. You can also find the length of the list of items attached to key, which will be returned as 3. Each key has a list of 3 values attached to it, as you see when we print it. You can find the individual values attached to a key by using slice function and putting required index number. Using slice function and index number, you can iterate through the list of values to find key and its values. The marks obtained by each student are tabulated using the loop. As you know that the dictionary's items are changeable. You can use slice method to enter key and its value. In case of an existing key, the value will be changed, otherwise a new key value pair is created. Alternatively, to add new key-value pair, you can use update command. This will create a new key-value pair, appended at the end of the dictionary. Use pop command to remove a key-value pair. Enter the key in pop command, the key-value pair will be removed. You can also use pop item command to remove the last key-value pair of the dictionary. No need to enter key. Delete command will also remove the required key-value pair by using slice function and writing the key to be deleted along with its value. Copy command is used to create a copy of the dictionary. Please note that we have created X as copy of Flowers dictionary. When you use clear command and give the print command, an empty dictionary is shown. But, if you print the original dictionary, that is Flowers, all the items are still there. We conclude that original dictionary stays intact if you edit the copy of the same. Nested dictionary contains two or more dictionaries within a single dictionary. The value of keys is accessed by using slice function and using relevant keys. We shall create a new dictionary of stock items, save it, append it, and read using JSON format. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight format for storing and transporting data. We have printed different options to select from. To create a new dictionary, the user will select option as N. It will take the user to enter values for item's name and its price. The item's dictionary is updated by these entered values. Now, we open a new file with name of stock.json and use dump command to convert our Python dictionary to JSON dictionary format. The JSON file shows the saved values. We want to append our just created stock dictionary with some new items. We shall use else if command with option A. Important thing to remember here is that we would firstly open our existing dictionary in read mode to read the data so that the newly entered data is appended to it. We use load command to convert JSON dictionary format to Python dictionary format. Now, we enter some more items with their prices. Finally, we can open the stock file in read mode and get the prices for our saved items using JSON load command and dictionary slice function.
We strongly recommend that you follow our playlist sequence of videos on Python to fully understand concepts and move on to the next level. Please subscribe to stay updated.